In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. The HLOOKUP function, which stands for horizontal lookup, is used to search for a value in the first row of a table and then return a related value from another row in that same column. This is especially useful when your data is arranged horizontally with labels or categories across the row instead of down the first column. To begin, let's quickly look at the structure of the function. The syntax is equals HLOOKUP, followed by 4 parts inside parentheses: lookup value, table array, row index number, and false. Written out, it looks like this: equals HLOOKUP, open parenthesis, lookup value, comma, table array, comma, row index number, comma, false, close parenthesis. Here's what each part means. The lookup value is the value you want Excel to find in the first row of your table. The table array is the full range that contains your data. The row index number tells Excel which row in that table to return the result from. And false tells Excel to return only an exact match, which is the recommended option in most cases because it helps avoid incorrect results. Now, create your data table in Excel. Make sure your lookup values are placed across the first row, because HLOOKUP always searches horizontally in that top row. Then create the lookup area, which is the section where you will type the value you want to search for and display the result. Keeping this area separate from the main table makes your worksheet easier to read and update. Next, we're going to find the sales value. Click cell H2 and type this formula: equals HLOOKUP, open parenthesis, H1, comma, A1 colon E comma, 2 comma, false, close parenthesis. Then press enter. Excel will now search for the value entered in cell H1 within the first row of the range A1 through ET. Once it finds a match, it will return the value from the second row of that same column. In this example, H1 is the lookup value such as Feb. A1 to E3 is the data table. The number 2 tells Excel to return the result from the sales row, and false ensures that the match must be exact. One helpful tip is to double check that the value in your lookup cell matches the top row label exactly, including spelling and spacing. If there's no exact match, Excel may return an error. Once you understand this pattern, HLOOKUP becomes a quick and reliable way to pull data from horizontally organized tables in Excel.